The smartphone world is heating up again, and OnePlus has stepped into the spotlight with its latest flagship, the OnePlus 15, officially launching globally on November 13th. This device might just be the one to put pressure on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. The specs, design, and battery capacity are all setting the stage for a very interesting rivalry. The OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be a performance powerhouse. The Chinese variant already features the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and as much as 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. That's as flagship as it gets. It also sports a large 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate and adaptive support from 1 to 120Hz for everyday use. For gamers and power users, this is a dream screen, fast, bright, and smooth. But what's really grabbing attention is the battery. The OnePlus 15 comes with a massive 7300 mAh silicon carbon battery, a huge step up even from last year's already impressive OnePlus 13. It's around 21% larger, and combined with the efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, users could easily get 2 days of battery life. Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra, on the other hand, is expected to stick to the same 5000 mAh cell that's been used for years. Relying mostly on chip optimization rather than capacity upgrades, this difference could easily embarrass Samsung once again in real-world endurance tests. In an era where users expect long battery life for photography, video recording, and gaming, OnePlus is clearly leading. Fast charging is another win for OnePlus. Minus 120-watt wired charging, though capped at 80-watt in the US, and 50-watt wireless charging make refueling this massive battery a quick task. Samsung's $1,300 flagships, in comparison, still lag behind with slower wired speeds, making this a point of frustration for many users. Beyond performance and power, OnePlus is known for constantly experimenting with its design, and the OnePlus 15 is no different. While Samsung's designs have stayed mostly the same for years, OnePlus has evolved quickly, from the elegant curves of the OnePlus 8 to the sleek lines of the OnePlus 13, and now to a new look once again. The company isn't afraid to try bold ideas, while Samsung plays it safe with small refinements. The OnePlus 15 will come in colors like absolute black, mist purple, and sand dune, striking finishes that highlight its premium build. The camera system also sees significant upgrades. The OnePlus 15 features 3 50-megapixel sensors, a main lens with OIS, an ultrawide, and a periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom. On the front, a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor ensures crisp selfies. The combination of these sensors means users can expect better low-light performance and sharper zoom quality, pushing the competition closer to Samsung's territory, which has long been known for its photography excellence. On the software side, the global variant will run Oxygenos 16 based on Android 16, while the Chinese version features ColorOS 16. Both promise fluid animations, deep customization, and smart battery management. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, 5 support, and IP68, IP69 water resistance, all hallmarks of a true premium device. Now, while the OnePlus 15 may not threaten Samsung's market dominance, it certainly challenges the idea of what a flagship should deliver for around $1,000 without carrier store presence in the US. OnePlus will remain a niche choice for enthusiasts, but that doesn't change the fact that it sets a new benchmark for innovation and performance. Meanwhile, Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra, expected to arrive early next year, doesn't seem to be making major changes. Early leaks suggest only minor design tweaks and modest charging upgrades. The bigger story might be the potential return of Samsung's Exynos chip, the Exynos 2600. If Samsung manages to deliver improved performance and efficiency, it could finally differentiate itself again from Qualcomm-based rivals. But unless Samsung makes real progress in areas like battery life and charging speed, the OnePlus 15 could easily make the S26 Ultra look outdated. Competition is what keeps innovation alive, and OnePlus is proving that once again. While Samsung has the brand power, OnePlus has the hunger to push limits, introducing massive batteries, ultra-fast charging, and fresh designs year after year. The global launch of the OnePlus 15 on November 13th will officially mark the start of this new chapter. With its sleek build, next-gen performance, and unmatched battery technology, it might not outsell the Galaxy S26 Ultra, but it will definitely remind everyone that Samsung can't afford to get too comfortable. In the end, OnePlus is showing that the race for the best flagship isn't just about sales numbers, it's about daring to redefine what users should expect from a premium smartphone. And if Samsung doesn't step up soon, the the OnePlus 15 might just steal the spotlight once again.